Hey everyone, Jeff coming at you from my channel, Comics and Tattoos, and today I have another comic book unboxing for you, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, Jeff coming at you from my channel, Comics and Tattoos, and today I have another 25 box of CGC unboxing for you. I did not look at the grades this time. I sent these in back in September 16th, so we're basically 2 weeks shy of 6 months, including pressing and cleaning and grading and shipping. Took about a week and a half during the mail. I'll be using FedEx moving forward. FedEx is 2 days, and the post office takes about a week and a half. So, especially when you're anticipating, really wanting your books, it can be a little irritating. So I didn't look, but I did have my brother kind of look at some of the grades and write down some of the grades. So I just had an overall idea of some of the grades because that would just, help my curiosity out just a little bit. So I didn't peek. I do know I have 6 9/8. Of the 25, 20 of them are 9.0 or better. So 80% are 9.0 or better. And I got a couple 8.5s and a couple 8.0s. Of the 25, 18 are first appearances. So this is where I started concentrating a little bit more on first appearances and keys. I got the box open because I didn't want to fiddle around while I was trying to get the stuff done. And at a quick glance, it does not look like it's in any kind of order. So I'm just going to start grabbing them and going for it. So first up we have, let's see, get this right, Hulk number 16. This is, oh, and I got on the wrong side. Okay, so it's 9/6. This is Hulk 16, first red She-Hulk cover in a 9/6. Got a couple few of the Red Hulk issues. I saw, the first appearance and the cameo, and then I saw some variants. Next up, what are we doing here? Okay, this is Hulk number 15. This is the variant. Yes, first appearance of Red She-Hulk, and this is the variant edition. So these came grouped in together. Really cool Wolverine and the Punisher. I got a bunch of the Red Hulk, so I thought I would get these two. Sorry about the glare. In a 9/6. Next up, Hulk number 16. Where am I in here? Sorry about the glare. 16. This is the variant edition. This is, I believe, the first cover and first full appearance of the Red She-Hulk. And this is also variant edition at McGinnis. Cool cover with Wolverine on it. If I can get it in here, it's glaring so bad on the screen. What are we doing here? This is kind of rare. I saw it and just loved it and wanted it. In a 9/8. That's awesome. That's definitely really was hoping for this one to be a 9/8. Kind of rare. I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. Of all the variants, I wanted that one to be the 9/8. Next up is an X-Men 131. Why can't I figure this out? This is the first cover appearance of Emma Frost, part of the Dark Phoenix saga in a 8.0. It's an older book from 1980, so not bad for a 40-year-old book. Next up, another X-Men 133. This is a cool book. This is a first Wolverine solo story. Also part of the Dark Phoenix saga with the Hellfire Club. And from what I understand, this is the first time Wolverine went berserk. This completes my run of the 1 through 9 of the Dark Phoenix saga in a 9.4. Really happy with that. Really cool issue. Very happy with that. Another one from 1980. As you know, I'm a big X-Men fan, so I'll continue to do more X-Men. Next up, Thor 337. Very famous Walt Simonson cover. Everybody knows this is Beta Ray Bill. Some spec that he may be appearing in the next Guardians of the Galaxy or possibly Thor movie in a 9.0. Still very cool issue to have. Saw this at the local LCS and just had to have it. 1983. Next up, why can't I get this? Venom number 1, bit of a hologram cover, first in a running series. Well, we all know Venom's really big right now, in a 9.8. Very happy with that. Always good with 9.8s. Lethal Protector in 1993. Next up, all new Wolverine 1. This is J. Scott Campbell variant. First Laura Kinney as Wolverine in the running series. Have the color variant up there on the wall that I got signed by J. Scott Campbell in a 9.8. Very happy with that. Very cool. 2016. Next up, Thundercats. Saw this online. Got it for a really decent price. I was really kind of excited to see that. Got another one at the local LCS, but I'm just going to hang on to that. Definitely brings back memories from my childhood. Didn't really expect too much out of this, but I still wanted it. 9.4. Very happy with that. Very cool. Very cool. 1985. Next up, Hulk number 1, Red Hulk number 1. First appearance of the Red Hulk. Saw it online, got relatively cheap. I thought it was in some really good condition. Continued to get a bunch of them from that series in that run. Got a couple other ones from the run, first A-Bomb and a couple other ones that I didn't submit quite yet, but I'm thinking of it in a 9.4. 9.8 would have been good, but still a really cool issue, real cool cover. 2008. And another. Saw one, saw this. I think so. I've seen them get going for pretty high on eBay, so wanted to have a good copy. This one, 9.6. A little closer, but 9.8 would have been nice, but it's all good. Still very happy to have a good copy of that. Hoping to see Red Hulk in the MCU. Oh, very cool. Ooh, I saw the grade. Next up, Amazing Spider-Man 4. This is the first silk. Saw this at my local LCS and wanted it. You know, over the summer it was definitely popping. Definitely a spec book, wondering what Spider-Woman we're going to get in the series coming up. That's been confirmed. 9/8. Very happy with that. Again, got that at local LCS. Very happy with that. I got the second appearance, next book after that. And I'm contemplating sending that one in also. With the 9/8, that makes me want to do it even more. Again, Hulk number 15, 2009, first appearance of the Red She-Hulk. That was a standard cover in a 9/6. Sorry, the glare. Next up, Avengers 181 from 1979. Got this for a really good price online. First appearance of Scott Lang, 8/5. Okay. Not a huge issue, but liking my first appearances. Next up, Captain America Annual number 8. Very cool cover with the Captain America and Wolverine. Very classic, you know, reminds me of my teenage years. Love this cover. Would love to have it in a 9/8. Would love to have signed by Mike Zeck. 8/5. That's worse than the 8/5 I have up on the wall. But still a really cool issue, and I'll continue to buy these when I see them in good condition. And just kind of curious enough to see if there's any reader's notes or grader's notes to see why that got a lower grade. Very cool. Next up, New Avengers 11. First Ronin. Clinton Barton did appear as Ronin in the Avengers movie. Very cool cover. Yep, David Finch. Love some of David Finch's artworks. 9/8. Very happy with that. Love my first appearances. Got it for a real good price on eBay. 2005. Next up, Moon Knight number 1. Got this for $20 online before it really started blowing up. Everybody knows it's supposed to be a Netflix series coming up. Talking about Oscar Isaac, and these books are really going high. 9/2. Not bad for $20. $19.80. Next up, New Mutants Annual 2. First appearance, first American appearance of Psylocke and Megan. I have a 9/4 up on the wall. Got this online and thought it was a beautiful copy. I mean, I looked at it, I couldn't see anything wrong with it. Again, I'll have to look at see if there's any grader's notes. 1986. 9/2. Again, I thought it was going to be better than that. Let's see if there's any grader's notes online. But very cool issue. Next up, Silver Surfer 44, 1990. Famous cover. First appearance of the Infinity Gauntlet. First time Thanos appeared again since for 13 or 17 years since a annual that I do have coming up in a 9-4. Okay, not bad. Again, 1990. Next up, Alias 1, first appearance of Jessica Jones. Again, bought the best copy I could get online. Looked around for a couple times and thought it was good. We all know black covers can be really hard. I definitely think she's going to be coming back around. 8-5. Yeah. 2001. Marvel premiere 1947 from 1979. This is the first appearance of Scott Lang as Ant-Man. Very cool character. Ant-Man 3 coming up. Like, lead character, Paul Rudd. May 5. Was hoping for a little better on it. 1979, so 40-year-old book. Next up, Marvel Team Up number 65. Again, try to find the best raw copy I could find online. This is first American appearance of Captain Britain. He did first appear in 1976 in the UK print, larger book printed in the UK. Currently looking at some of those, and they're super expensive. It has to come with a mask, or else it's considered incomplete. Looking at a couple raw books, but I'd like to have a nice graded one. There's some spec possible that he could come into the movies in a 9-4. Not bad. Again, 1978, 22-year-old book. Again, I'd like to have some of the Captain Britain ones. Captain Britain 2 has another insert. I believe it is don't know. I'll get back to you on that one. Number 8 is first Psylocke. Number 10 is first Psylocke cover appearance, but again, they're bigger sizes and would definitely have them. Almost bought them over the weekend, but I'm kind of holding back. Been spending a lot of money. Okay. Next up, Amazing Spider-Man 210. First appearance of Madam Webb. There has been some spec on this. Again, tried to find the best raw copy I could find. Paid a little bit of money for this in a 9-0. Was hoping a little bit better for that. I did pay a bunch of money for it, but I could tell it was pressed when I got it, but still, 40-year-old book. I'm still very happy to have first appearance Madam Web. Next up, Spawn number 1. First appearance of Spawn. Got this at my local LCS for $20, so I thought that was a pretty awesome deal. Again, I believe Spawn just announcement for a new Spawn universe. Always love McFarlane. 9-6. 1992. And the last one. Hulk number 17, Red 17. This was right after the Red She-Hulk appearance. This was part of the 3 variants with the Ed McGuinness. 9-8. Very happy with that. Okay. So I got a couple more signature series coming. FedEx, luckily. And another box coming. FedEx should be the next couple of days. Hopefully I'll be able to do another unboxing video and get it up there for you. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. Got any questions, any concerns? Again, the best books to buy are the ones that you like. Peace out.